Who's you? Cinema Gaming in Ireland edition of cast. Coming from a fantasy land that's a little bit sunnier than in here is in Mount Pleasant this morning. The purpose of this video this morning, the first of many that you will receive throughout the course of this year, usually once a week. You'll probably see one later this week, kind of highlighting our first week of school. But I just wanted to remind you all that tomorrow, that would be Wednesday, is our back to school open house. If you haven't had a chance to enroll your student for the 2023-2024 school year, this is a great opportunity to do such. Please bring your tribal ID, birth certificate, physical, dental records, the standard documentation from previous school years. There will be food and drinks, an opportunity to see the classroom, meet staff, bus tours, some raffle prizes, some food. This event will take place from 4 to 6 tomorrow. We here at SCA hope that you can all make it. If you can't and you have questions related to the beginning of the school year, please feel free to email me at mireland@sagchip.org. Be more than happy to answer those as they come in. Hope everyone's having a great week. Look forward to seeing as many of you as possible tomorrow. And then Monday is the first day of school, so we're getting super excited about that. Have a minute, Gijigad, Minwa, Pamapi.